Welcome to St. Michael's Academy Petya's e-learning class of English class 4. So today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 9, Crow Boy. First, we will do the introduction of the author of the story Crow Boy, Taro Yashima. He was a Japanese artist and author, renowned for his beautifully illustrated books for children. He won 3 Caldecott honors for his picture books Umbrella, Crow Boy, and Seesaw Story. Now we will know the new words before starting the paragraph. Dark space under the school house floor means the space between the raised platform of the school house floor and the ground. Immediately means at once. Nicknamed means gave him another name to the joke about his height. Chibi means tiny boy. Now, first I will read the paragraph, then I do the explanation. On the first day of our village school in Japan, there was a boy missing. He was found hiding in the dark space under the schoolhouse floor. None of us knew him, but we immediately nicknamed him Chibi, as he was very small. Now, the explanation of this paragraph. This is a story of a little boy in a school in Japan who is mostly stunned by his classmates because he was shy and quiet. The boy had gone missing on the very first day of school. He was found later hiding in the dark space under the schoolhouse floor. His classmates nicknamed him Chibi because he was very small. Now I will read the next paragraph. Chibi was a strange boy. He would watch the ceiling or his wooden desktop with great interest for hours. He would study a patch of cloth on a boy's shoulder. He would look out of the window all round the year and find delightful surprises even when it rained. On the playground, if he closed his eyes, Chibi could hear many different sounds near and far. He could hold and watch insects and grubs which we would not even look at. Now, the explanation of this paragraph is that Chibi's classmates found him strange. He would often spend his time watching the ceiling or his wooden desktop or studying a patch of cloth on someone's shoulder. He would look out of the window all round the year and could find things to delight himself even when it rained. On the playground, he could hear many different sounds and often held or watched insects and grabs that went unnoticed by the others. Now I will read the new words before starting the paragraph. Drugged means walked with slow and heavy steps. We could not believe our eyes means we were very surprised. Now I will read the next paragraph. We left Chibi alone. He trudged to school and went back home on his own every day, learning nothing in class. After so 5 years passed till we reached the sixth grade, the last class in school. Our new teacher, Mr. Isobe, was a friendly man with a kind smile. He frequently looked us to the hilltop behind the school. Now, the explanation of the next paragraph is his classmates left him alone. Every day, Chibi would walk to and from school alone from his house on the far mountain side, learning nearly nothing in class. But after 5 years, when the boys graduated to the sixth grade, here graduated means promoted, the last class in school, they got a new teacher, Mr. Isobe. He was a kind, friendly man who often looked the boys to the hilltop behind the school. Now I will read the next paragraph. While we played, he often spent time talking to Chibi. He was pleased to learn that Chibi knew all the places where the wild grapes and wild potatoes grew. He was amazed to find how much Chibi knew about all the flowers in our class garden. Later that year, Chibi appeared on the stage at the talent show. We could not believe our eyes. What can he do up there? We wondered. Now, the explanation of the next paragraph is while others children played, he would talk to Chibi. So here, who is talking to Chibi? The new teacher Isobe talked to Chibi. So in these sessions, Mr. Isobe discovered Chibi's nature. Chibi could identify places where wild grapes and wild potatoes grew, and he knew a lot about the flowers in the class garden. Chibi appeared on the stage in the talent show later that year. To the surprise of all his classmates, they did not believe that Chibi was good at anything. Now it's time for your homework. What you have to do, you have to write down the word meaning in your English copy. I hope you understood this chapter. This is the part 1 of this chapter. Soon I will come with the part 2. Thank you.